Hello, hello, and welcome back. Today, I want to introduce you to Unalengua.com. Now, this will be your new go-to resource for transcribing anything quickly into IPA symbols. You can find a direct link in the description below or in the Useful Links resource. But let's walk through the basics together. So first, you want to type or copy and paste your text in the text box here. So for example, we are awesome. And you will see as we type, the IPA transcription will appear below. Now, some things that are very important. First of all, you want to make sure English is selected here in the upper left-hand corner. And if it's not, just click on the drop-down and then find English. And as you can see, there's quite a few other languages here that can be transcribed as well. Because keep in mind, IPA isn't just for the English language, it's for all languages, anything spoken, any sounds. And once you've checked that that is selected, then you can come down here at the bottom and you'll see the speaker, which we press whenever we want to hear what anything sounds like. So this resource is also good for hearing pronunciation as well. Next to the little speaker, you can choose which type of accent you want. So some accents to explore are Indian, British, Australian, and even Welsh at the very top. Next to that, we have the word sentence toggle. So let's listen to the difference. So if we have word selected, it sounds like this.
We are awesome.
And as you can hear, it's kind of choppy. If we select sentence, this is what it sounds like.
We are awesome.
All right, and with this, you will hear intonation and connected speech. So it's really good if those are two areas that you are focusing on mastering. And next to the word and sentence toggle, you'll see speed. So you can also make it faster or slower. One last setting I want to go over is up here in the upper right-hand corner. You can use dark mode as well. And usually I have this set to dark mode because it just feels better on my eyes. All right, so that is everything you need to know for the Unalengua.com IPA tool. Jump in, play around with the different voices, find the one that works best for you, and start pronouncing those words, phrases, and sentences with total confidence. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Otherwise, have fun and see you next time.